Drain plugs are among the most utilized components on a vehicle. Replacing them at the first signs of wear is critical to ensure proper installation, preventing leaks, and avoiding damage to the mating threads. Neglecting the signs could cause a complete loss of critical fluids, resulting in a much more costly repair or replacement of the engine, transmission, or differential case. But all drain plugs are not created equal. There are several key features that differentiate an upgrade from OE or standard replacement plugs, and a magnet is one of them. Rein Automotive offers a line of magnetic drain plugs, featuring a captive magnet that is manufactured directly into the plug for a secure and flush fit. The magnet, made from rare earth metals, actively attracts and retains ferrous wear particles that might bypass the oil filter. This helps reduce the risk of further damage due to particle recirculation and provides valuable insight to the health of the vehicle system and components being serviced, which can be an important diagnostic tool for technicians. Notice how the captive magnet pulls ferrous metal debris from the surface. This is the same way it captures particles from damaged components to prevent them from circulating through the system. In addition to the magnet, Rein drain plugs feature precision rolled threads. Rolled threads are formed by displacing the metal rather than cutting it, which preserves the natural grain structure. This process results in stronger, smoother threads thanks to the burnishing effect of the rolling process. Cut threads have sharp edges that can easily catch, which increases the likelihood of cross-threading or excessive resistance even when they're properly aligned. That can damage the component during installation. The flush tip design ensures that the plugs are easy to clean without trapping particles, and each plug includes a single-use washer or an embedded O-ring to guarantee proper torque and sealing. During the development process, the CRP innovation team worked directly with a high-end performance race shop to engineer and refine the design of these magnetic drain plugs for superior quality and performance. The expanded Rein program now includes 14 SKUs, covering over 160 million domestic, European, and Asian vehicles across the US and Canada. To stay up to date with new products from Rein Automotive and the rest of the CRP brand lineup, join the Jumpstart team at crpautomotive.com/jumpstart. And don't forget to subscribe to CRP's YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.